Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about company-specific delivery times, and this is used for the same product to have different delivery lead times in different companies within multi-company Odoo setup. Now, why this is used? Different companies often operate differently, different warehouse, different stock availability, different suppliers, different shipping methods, and different geographic locations. So, using a single delivery time for companies can lead to inaccurate delivery promises. So, let's see how can we manage this feature in Odoo 20. So, for that, you have to consider two companies. I'll be considering my company, San Francisco, and my company, that's my US company for the same product. Let's say the product is product A. So here you can just move on to the sales module, and from here I'll be considering the product which is product A. So currently you can see that upon moving on to the inventory, you can set the inventory lead time, that's the delivery lead time, as 2. Now let me choose the product, same product in the other company under the my US company. So for that, we just need to wait for a while in order to load everything. Now let me move on to my US company, and you can see that we have just switched the database from my company San Francisco to my US company. So you can see upon moving on to the inventory, you can see that we have the option to set the delivery lead time separately. Now let's create the quotation separately for each separately in each databases. I mean, not in the databases in a company. And let's see the difference. So as I just 5 days as the delivery lead time under the product A under the company, my US company, you can see the difference that it would be taking 5 days in order to deliver the item. So you can click on new button, and let's create a new quotation. Here fill out the details of the customer. Now you can choose the product which is product A. As you choose the product, you can see that under the delivery date, the delivery time or the delivery lead time is calculated over here. Now let's switch between the other company, which is my company San Francisco. And as you just switch between the company, you can see the result over here. Now you can choose the customer, and let me choose the product. As I choose the same product over here, you can see that the delivery lead time has been changed. So sometimes we would like to purchase the same product, but due to some warehouse issues or stock unavailability, we know that the item will be sometimes getting from far away. So in such cases, it will be taking too long in order to deliver the item. And sometimes the product will be nearby our location. So in that cases, the delivery lead time will be too less. So you can just make use of this feature in order to manage that. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.